Abai addresses his lines to the generations to come to his countrymen for whom he strives to pave the way to a more enlightened, better life. He called his piety like a burning torch struck the gloom of ignorance and pressures the enveloping the Kazakh. Kazakh steps reveal new horizons to the people and the promise of a new dawn. To his miller he was a puzzle, but to as he is very clearly the luminary of Kazakh literature. The lives of Kazakh poetry knows that Kazakhstan has acquired statehood, and the Kazakhs their proud national statehood, and the Kazakhs their proud national readers. Where on the world gained in understanding, he is real and admired by all the peoples of our great social state.